What's up, lovely people? So beautiful people. Anything. I am Shubham Saswat, also known as Saswat Paradise. Well, this is my channel's name. So, here I am in a semi-urban area. But the semi-urban means cities, but with a lot of plants and stuff like that. So in my hand, it is a garden lizard, an oriental garden lizard, or also known as bloodsucker horny lizard. It's a garden lizard, or we also call it bloodsucker or something stuff like that. So its scientific name is Calotes versicolor. They are agamid species of lizards, and they are primarily arboreal species, which means they live up on the trees, hunting on some ants, some little flies, beetles, and stuff like that. So they are very, very important. They are very crucial for our environment. If they did not exist, I am not telling about in the whole world, but if they does not exist in a particular area, in a small area, then you know what will happen? The insect population will go high on the peak. Nobody will control it, and also we will lose such cute little lizards. Oh no! Don't bite me. Very cute little lizard, na? So this is a lizard found throughout the Asia, all over the place. They are pretty common in there. But you know what? In India, like where I live, there are many superstitions about this lizard. They say this is poison, this is venomous, they will bite you, you will be dead. This is not a dangerous thing. Even if it bites me, nothing is going to happen, because they are so cute little lizards. And isn't it look like a dinosaur from the Jurassic Park movie? Just see. Isn't it cool? And as you can see, the scales of it's pretty much like fish scales overlapping each other, and I'm telling you, it's pretty keeled. What the keel means? It means it's very sharp. When I go that way, it's stick in my hand, and you can see there are little horns, these spikes on the back of it, and and they have a pretty sharp claw, which helps them to climb up on trees. See, and if you don't know, lizards have ear. She's looking at me like that. When she is opening his mouth, he's not trying to bite me or eat me. It is just showing its defensiveness. It's just being defensive. Everyone in this planet want to defend themselves. If I am attacked by some people, I will try to defend myself. I will try to kill them. So this is what it is doing for survival for the fittest. You can see it is pretty laid back, but it's not pretty laid back. It is just cooperating with me to shoot video, because I have given some money. No, it's not money. I have given some crickets to you can as you can see, his tail is little bit cut in half, maybe in combat battles or any predator prey on him, maybe stuff like that. So when they feel threatened, they lose their tail. Not like all the lizards, they lose their tails. If it grab hardly, then it will be break, and it will regenerate. Eventually it will regenerate its tail, but not in the case they are like lizards. Their tail are not that much of fragile. Yeah, that is fragile. Its tail is fragile. Flaring up his mouth, opening his mouth to scare me. I am not going to scare. So it is cute. Oh, see, as you can see, this muscle flap which is stretching out like that. You can see now. This is called a dewlap. Almost every agamid lizards, iguanas, spiny tail iguanas have such things. Males, they are pretty bright colored, and they use it to attract the females. As you can see on other YouTube videos, not mine. But first watch my video. So you can see I'm little bit changing and show you to beat him. Ooh, 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 ooh. See. He beat me. Ooh, I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. Okay, enough. I'm not going to die. I'm not Clarity Peterson. But as you can see, he beat me hard. But you know what? It's not poisonous. It's not nothing going to me. In fact, if I show you, it's not bleeding. It's not even bleeding. Yeah, some big lizards like that, they can grow not pretty huge, but they can grow a little bit more. Just stop me biting, you little fella. Ow! No! Their teeth are designed to chomp on beetles, insects, ants. So they are not designed to eat humans. Ow! So they, ow! No! So as you can see, nothing happens but a little bite mark only. Ow! No. I know you, bonito. See how it bit me hard. But you know, it's not a bite like something, like it's not even bleeding. It's just a little mark on my hand. So as you have seen now, he bit me hard on my hand, and I'm pretty much alive. So in India or any rural country, or not country, many rural localities, there is a superstition that if it will bite you, you are going to dead. But it's not. You little fellas, you little fellas behind the camera, try to understand. They are beautiful creatures of our nature. They need, we need them. They do not need us. We need them. If they will not survive in our nature, if they will go extinct, then you know what? No pest control. Nothing will going to save you from insects. Understand? Okay? It's a warning, or nature will find the way. So back to my position. So here it is. So somebody say it sucks the blood. Well, it's not the case. It eats only little insects. Its teeth are not designed. It's not a vampire to suck the blood. But males have this color. She's a female, but males have a red color on the chin, on the face side of, to attract the females, and they are pretty big and thick also. So they call blood suckers. So as if the feeding, they are pretty much related to the horny devils and the bearded lizards from the outback of Australia. I have seen them sitting on a branch, and like a trail of ant goes right. What is called? I'm not getting the right words. Just, oh my God, Mama! Oh, please, God of Thunder, give me the power to speak English. So I have seen these lizards up in the tree, and they on a trunk or any of the branches of tree, and a trail of ant goes right beside them, and they were like, okay, there is an ant. Hello, Mr. Ant. Oh, Mr. Ant. Like the horny devils and the bearded lizards, bearded dragon. Okay, they are lizards, but they are called bearded dragon because they are like dragons. That's pretty much, I think so. So, as they eat, have you even seen horny devils on Nat Geo documentaries? They also eat like that, but they stay on the land, but they stay on the tree. So, as you get out of the. So, what I was telling. Never mind my silly jokes. So, this is an important lizard, not because they control the insect population, also because they are prey of many snakes, like the wolf snakes. They love to eat these lizards. some snakes, birds. They always eat such the lizards. So they are very, very important. They are important. They are very, very important for our nature. So my the main motto of this video is to just love these creatures. They are not like blood suckers or anything which going to kill you. They are just mind their own way. They do not want a human threat. They do not want any human. Oh, rain. Cut. So they don't want human threat. They don't want anything from humans. They are more important for us. We are not important for them. How can you not love this creature? Like if you have seen Jurassic Park, you will fall in love with dinosaurs. And isn't it look like a modern day dinosaur? You know, we are always talking about we want dinosaurs back. There is not in the case. We need to protect the dinosaurs we have. We have monitor lizards, the snakes, the turtles, the tortoises. This lizard, this is the real life dinosaurs. See how pretty it looks, isn't it? Huh? So please save our planet. So now we are going to release this back in the wild where it belongs. Well, I am just putting it on this little plant. Not plant, it's a tree. For sake of this video, eventually it will find its way to other big trees where there are a lot of insects to chew on. So, come on. Let me see you something. There are little insects. There are little ants. See? There are little ants which will go inside its stomach. You know? You get it? So now I'm going to release him back. See, he's going. Give me the camera. The camera, please. So now I'm going to release him back.
Hey boy, it's my life, my rules.
Lizard, go. See, going to release him. There is a lizard. Where are you, little lizard? Oh, you go. Let me find it back. See how well camouflaged it is. You can see now. How well camouflaged it is. See. Now eventually it will go on a tree which have a lot of insects, so they will thrive on it. He will thrive on it and become a fat lizard. Go, little boy. So at the end, I just want to say, save the animals and let's make this planet a better place. And also. You like this merch? Huh? Not humans, animals. I'm nothing without. You want this merch? I'm not giving to you. It's my own merch. Say.